You are now watching a Lucky Penny Shop product feature.
Item provided by Pley.com for review.
Hey, it's Lucky Penny Shop. Excited to check out another Disney Princess monthly subscription box. But we need to say thanks to
Pley.com for sending us these Disney items.
Thank you very much. And now we know that the fun has arrived. It's playtime. Now their boxes, I don't know if you can see it, have special cutouts where you can build something from them. The first box we built a ship.
Yes.
The next one was a chest.
Yes.
And it's been a while, so this will be our third box to check out. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready? I think you are ready. Here we go. And a 1, and a 2, and a 3. Oh. Okay. Not much there. All right, it's just a flat, no. Now you can see, look at the inside of the top of the box. There is something there. It looks like a castle of sorts or some kind of building. All right, so this folds back. It's kind of neat how they make their boxes very detailed. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and ooh, Pley.com. I will let you dig in there now. Okay. Take the tissue apart, and we'll see what's in here. Ooh, okay, so we have some Jasmine items. Okay. All right, so let's do this. Now we will move this off to the side. Come back, and I'll let you just take out one at a time. All right, Miss Alyse, you all now take an item out of the box, and I will check it out. Oh, okay. We have a Disney Pocket Pop Key Chain for Jasmine. All right, we'll have to get that out of the box. Next item. What is that? Looks like jewelry, like earrings and a necklace in a collector type tin. All right, next item. Okay, this is their booklet that comes with every subscription box, and inside the booklet, hopefully they're going to tell us right there. Oh, okay, so this is what we're going to have to build, and we've done them all, so we're going to have to do that one. And then they give you little stories and information. Oh, puzzles. Yes. A fun activity, crossword. Oh, what is that? A crossword? Find a word? What do they call those? I totally forgot. And then Jasmine enjoys new activities. What activities do you enjoy? Okay. And then portraits. Paint portraits of your favorite Disney princess characters. And here's just a guessing game. How many stripes in total, so you would count them. And then Hot Wheels. That would be a cool box to get, the Hot Wheels. We have played a lot of Hot Wheels way back when. And then, all right, fun activities. That is a maze, other things to do. So that is the booklet, a coloring page. All right, so let's do this. Next item.
Okay.
All right, Disney Princess paint posters. I've never heard of a paint poster.
Yeah, me neither.
Oh, I see. So you get a brush, you wet this, and you use this to paint the picture.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, you'll probably do those, right?
Possibly, yeah.
You're definitely the artistic one. And then this is a Disney Princess Magic Art Scratchers. All right, I've seen these. You take this little piece here and you scratch around, and that will reveal the picture that's inside. Very cool. All right, next one. A T-shirt. All right, so let's just open this up. Is there anything else in there, or do we get them all?
You got it all?
Okay, all right, so there we go. Nothing can stop this princess. All right, so take the tissue out of the box now. And we'll just give a quick look on the inside so I can see what I'm faced with on building here. All right, so that's all punched out. That's all punched out. All right, that's going to be a challenge. Move that off to the side. And then we will come back now and we will check out the items one by one. What do you think?
Okay.
All right, we'll be right back.
Okay.
All right, we are set. Alyse has picked out the one she wanted to do for the Disney Princess paint posters. I need to cut this off for you down here on the bottom.
Okay.
Have you done these before, this kind of paper painting watercolor?
Yeah.
Okay. So there you go. That is what she's doing. Now I'll just give you a quick look at what's going on here. This is all of the different pictures that are in this booklet. I'll give you a couple close-ups here. And then you just wet it a little, right? And then you paint your picture. Not bad. Ooh, yellow. Good color choice. All right, so that is that item. Now, I showed you the booklet already, so that's something I've already gone through. And then here is the little tin. And while you do that, I will figure this out. So it looks like a collector's tin. Now it's also in another layer of plastic. Let me cut this open here. Okay, let's see. The tin opens this way. Here we go. Ooh, no. So it goes this way, and then you could see what's in it, and then this protects the tin. So that is the actual cover. And then inside is what looks to be, here, let me see if I can officially get these out, or at least easier to see. There we go. There, it's a little tangled inside my tin. So it looks like a nice little necklace with her, and then the little lanterns as the earrings, okay?
Oh, yeah.
So that's up to you if you want to wear that later. If not, that's okay. We will keep it in the collector's tin.
Okay.
And there's the scene from the movie, okay? And then here is the pocket pop. How's it going over there?
Pretty good.
And then this is Jasmine. Let's get this one out of the box. And it is a keychain. Okay, so there you go. Not bad.
Oh.
Little keychain. And then it looks like a pretty thick ring on it, but it is a two-piece ring, so you'll be able to split it and put it on a set of keys if you want, or just keep it in a little collector's box. That's entirely up to you, is it not? Whatever you want to do is up to you. Okay, I'll just leave these out. So there's the two items. That, we've seen the booklet. And then the next one is this Magic Art Scratchers. All right, so you're going to do that. Let me get one of these out here so we can check it out, because I want to come back and do the box. That's going to be more of a challenge for me. Okay, so there's the picture. And there's another picture. It looks like they have like a cutout, but it's not. It just feels like it is. I see her lips and her eyes, parts of her eyes, so you kind of have an idea. And then here is the little scraper. Scratch to reveal design. That's the two, so let's just see here. So if I take one of these like this, and I just start scratching. Oh yeah, I feel it's like a plasticky coating. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's pretty neat. I'll leave the rest for you, but do you think you want to finish this one for me?
Sure.
Okay, it's revealing. Oh, there's her eyes. So basically, you just scrape off the whole picture, and then you reveal it, right? Mm-hmm. That's what it looks like so far. So I'll leave these for you to do. Maybe when I'm doing the box, you can scrape the rest off for me.
Okay.
All right, so we've seen everything. We saw the T-shirt earlier. I'm going to move you over just a little, bring in the box, and let's see what it's going to take to build that. All right, Alyse is creating over there. I figure we can work in tandem here. So here's how to fold your box. Watch the building instructions video at play.com Video Princess. Unfold Pley box and remove the contents. So I am going to do this in stages. This is going to be peeled off here, and I am going to pop out each of these little sections here. Now, it looks like that is perforated there, so I will see exactly what they want me to remove. Perforated there, and then this is perforated along here, so that will be easy for that one. This one here, same thing. I'll just pop it out, and what I'll do is I'll come back in stages here as I get these pieces out. Okay, and then it says to unfold the box. So you do that by bending out this section here. Let's see, this does take a little bit to remove it from this bottom tab. And when I'm done here getting this out, there we go. There we go, and there's some more characters here. I will finish doing this part of it as she does her coloring. Very nice job you're doing over there, by the way.
Thank you.
Alright, I'm working here. I'm working. There we go. Alright, so now I can unfold the whole thing. So there are 3 more punch outs here that I need to take out.
There we go.
This looks like, oh, you're all done with that? All right, do the scratcher now. See if you can finish that one. So I'm going to come back in a little bit here after I get everything punched out and move on to the next step. Oh, go ahead. I'll do a little bit of you. Move that in the camera a little bit more. did say I was going to take a break, huh? Alright, so that's done. That looks like that stays. Let's see if I can get these other ones out while you're doing that. Oh, lots of punch outs, huh?
Oh yeah.
These boxes can be challenging, so I'm gonna go check their video out just to see. There you go. It is a cool sound as it pops out, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, there's all the punch outs. Alright, we'll be right back, and then you can continue on there. Here, what I'll do is I'll speed up your video there. I'll take off the sound, put some music on, and you can do that one and the other one.
Okay.
So now you take all of your punch outs and you can start decorating them. By the way, your artwork looks great. Thank you very much.
Oh, thank you.
And then these cutouts have folded lines on the back. I don't know if you can see them. So you want to kind of match that fold, and that'll get the character right under their feet, and then fold again, and then you kind of pop it in to the side here. And what that's going to do is lock their base in. Okay, and then once you get the base, you figure out the best way to put this so it stands, and then there you have your standing characters. All right, we're going to speed this up now. We're going to come back after this part is decorated, and then I'll show you how to fold the box and put it all together.
Okay.
Okay, we are back. It took a while for us to get all the colors in. We had to speed that up because it took us at least a half hour to color that.
Yes.
Show everybody your little characters now. Painted very nice, thank you. I mean, markered very nice. Those are all three, okay. And what you want to do next is take out the paper tabs at the top, and we're going to refold the box backwards now, like it originally was. So you need to get the side pieces. Hard to show all this on camera, but get the side pieces in, and then once the side pieces are in, you flip the flaps back onto themselves. Okay, like that, like that, like that. And then back like this. So now what we colored on the side is now showing as part of our building. And then we want to make sure we pop the doors out here because these open and close. Let's see. There we go. There we go. There we go. And then they just need to be cut on the bottom edge. Okay, so that's that. Now you're going to fold this back in because you don't want to see these flaps here. And you're going to take these flaps now and fold them back to here. So we've now just reversed our box. Come on, get in there. Oh, this one's going to take a little finagling here. Almost there, everybody. Almost there. Lisa's watching me like, is he going to get it? Is he going to get it? There we go.
There we go.
Okay, so now the box looks like that. Okay, now the top. And now we have all of the sides decorated. See the doors there? Now this needs to be broken out down here. Okay, see?
There we go.
There's the front. And then on the top, you put these. And then this little section's going to go up here. And then this one's going to go here. The tabs are a little bit bigger than the tabs opening, so you might have to fudge those a little. And then each of these little tower sections now, one's going to go here, and one's going to go here.
Okay. Pretty good so far.
Pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
I colored the blue in the background to make it look like the sky.
Looks pretty cool.
So when you look at it from the front, okay, there you go. So you're looking at it in the front view. All right, let me get the camera a little bit more in there. Pretty neat, huh? Pretty cool box.
Mm-hmm.
Let me back the camera up. Very good. All right, you did a great job on that.
Thank you. You too.
So you can do more coloring if you want. We chose to do it this way, and now you have your characters to play with.
Mm-hmm.
And there you go.
Yeah.
We'll put the link in the description, and thanks again to them for sending us this box. We appreciate it. And as always, thanks for watching. Later.
Bye.
If you're looking for the item you just saw in the video, click here. Watch more videos by clicking here. Don't forget to share on social media and give a thumbs up.
Hey, LPS-Dave,
What's up, Butch?
make sure they don't forget to subscribe.
Oh yeah, please click here to subscribe to Lucky Penny Shop. And always remember, when you see a lucky penny,
Pick it up.